Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable and disable notifications on the reddit.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. Then you should tap on your username in the upper right corner of the screen and click on user settings. After that you should tap on notifications at the top, and here you can find a bunch of notification settings that you can turn on and off. All you have to do is just tapping on the relevant ones, such as when you want to get inbox message notification, tap on this button. There is the chat messages, chat requests, notifications that you can enable, but here you can see that some of them are turned off and turned on. So if you want to turn them off, just tap on the relevant button and it will be disabled. Here you can check out that you have a vast variety of options and types of notifications that you can enable. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.